Think it's some times to make some improvements on the Transit Sport. In my opinion, anyway. Let's crack on and get started. Right, first things first. Let's get this terrible sun strip removed. What I should have done really at this stage was bring a blade down with me and my heat gun just to heat it up to get a little bit of temperature into the film so that it was easier to peel off. What a satisfying sound. I can see. Right, let's crack on and get the other side done. All I have to do now is repeat the process for this side. However, this time it decided to tear, so I had to peel it off slightly differently. We'll get that all cleaned off and we'll be all good to go. Next, to replace these, because as I said in the video from when I brought it, these are missing the chrome bits. So I saved these out of a Mondeo I had years ago. And I'm hoping they're just a quick pull out, pull in. So only one way to find out. That's one out. And one in. All I've got to do now is repeat it for the other three. Had to use a little bit of gentle persuasion on this one with some tools as it wasn't coming out very easily. Lovely. Job's done. I'm hoping this is going to be a really quick job. And that's it. One is off in one piece. Lovely jubblies. Hopefully the same for this side. There it is. Let's whip it off. This is held in with 6 screws, which all have to be undone. With that now removed, it was time to lift the hood, or bonnet if you're in the UK, and remove the clips that were holding it on in place. These were simply slipped through the bonnet. Another job done. Let's get this stupid ST badge off, because I think it's safe to say it's been winding me up for some time. Now at this stage I would think it would be fair to say that any normal person would stick a badge on, and I was going with the theme that this badge was actually stuck on. After trying to get it loose with the blade, I did kind of think to myself, well actually maybe he super glued it on because it wasn't straight. So I then come up with another idea. Got some trim tool removers, so let's have a look, see if we can get it off. What have they used to put that on with? Somebody's bloody drilled it into the door. With the doors open, I had to then remove the wooden trim and look for the bolts inside. Whoever done this wants to seriously be strung up and right, well there's the S. Here's the other part. Seriously, right? Why would anybody do that? That's just crazy. Now I've got 2 holes I need to plug. So I may as well replace this as well, because this one is tinted and is not standard, as where that one is. Cost me a couple of quid from a scrapyard. Let's get that one off. Put this one on. Job's a good one. First things first is to get the back doors open. It's nice and easy, just 2 little screws in the back here. With those removed, it's just a fact of shutting the door back round and giving the light a little tug, and out it comes. To separate the light from the cluster, it is just the fact of unclipping 2 clips and the bulbs will come away from the cluster, ready to put the new one on. And then it's just the fact of reversing the process to put it back together and checking that it all works. Doesn't that look much better? If you are enjoying the transit content, please make sure you give me a subscribe, please make sure you like, and I'll catch you in the next video.